लोग की डिसाइड From my point of view, I think T20 is a boon for people as it has only 20 hours, which is less time consuming, and people are more interested in watching it.
Yes, I support your view because T20 is a new form of cricket, and because it is very interesting and fast-paced, the youth of today get very much attracted to this form of cricket. So this T20 cricket is not only a boon for cricket at this point of time in today's period.
Very good morning to one and all. I am Devanshu Sharma. In my opinion, I agree with Akshay and Kapil. I also think that T20 is a boon for us as well as player also. Because of its short time, players and us also entertain too much, and it gives lots of chances for our player to present themselves in a good manner and practice more and more for the format or all the other formats also.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anand Meena. I'm agree with my friends, Devanshu and Akshay. As I said, it is a boon for Indian people and for the world. Like T20 World Cup, it is just a thing that in the minimum time you are allowed to put the maximum effort. But in the 50 over matches or the innings test series, you have so much time that you are some of the players carelessly plays. We all know that we know the controversies about the players. So according to me, there is a theory, work hard, party harder.
Yeah, and also you can mention one point that in a 50 overs match there are stop overs, which makes the game a very boring stage, which brings the game to a very boring stage, and also the people can't keep on watching the movie match for the whole length of the 3 hours length. And in T20 we get to complete the whole match in 3.5 hours. That's the most important part of this T20 format. And also we can only just look at the boon part of this T20 game. There are also some bad effects of the game also, like the skills of the players. They do not get tested on the true sense of the game, because as we all know, test forms are the most highest level of cricket that we all know. Their players are tested in 5 days, period of 5 days, and so it is not even comparable to the T20 format.
Yes, I am agree with my friend Kapil, but I think in a day and night match, that is 50 hours match. Sometimes a team is played in day and other team play in night. So if there is a problem with the players and they do not perform well in a day and night match, and sometimes there is also rain which will delay the match for 1 or 2 days. So I think T20 is better than a day or night match.
Good morning, my name is Nilesh Soti, and my opinion is that it is good, and it is good for mainly for bowlers, because batsmen as that do or die for them, but bowlers have to stop them and they have to show their ability more than the 50 over and test match, because there they have only their team dot bowl, but here they have to get out the batsman, and they have to show their ability at best level. So it is good for bowlers. But in batsman sides, the test match is for batsmen, because that shows their ability to stop, to play, and consistency and discipline and the concentration of the batsman. But T20 is not for concentration. If you out, then out. If you hit, then you
You can't just label T20 as not a game of being no concentration, because it requires the highest form of concentration. Because in 20 overs you have to score the maximum number of runs or take the maximum number of wickets to defeat the other team. You can't say that it's not a form of less concentration. But yes, as you have mentioned that it is both the batsmen and the bowlers come to terms in this form of game. That's what.
Yes, I agree with my friend Kapil that it is not a game of only bowlers. I think the batsmen have high pressure to hit and win the game.
I also agree with the Kapil and Akshay. It's also a match of concentration. We saw earlier some matches, concentration is more required than they are short in the air.
it is good. It shows ability test match and one day is the best of cricket. It will make them less compared to the T20 is good. I don't say that it's bad, but it has limited. So that we can say test and one day they have their over standard in cricket. So
I sorry because test in T20 bowler show their abilities and in testing batsmen show their skills and they play how can they stop bowlers and how can they play in 5 days their skills and in T20 they drop out. It's only entertainment.
Good morning, all of you. I'm agree with Dinesh and Mr. Amit. This test matches are base of cricket, where the batsmen and bowlers show their skills. And T20 is good for bowlers because they shows our efforts to stop them, batsmen. And batsmen are for do and die.
yeah, it makes less that we can say that Asia Cup. It is one day. But nowadays it is T20. Why? Because T20 has a high
Asia Cup we were talking about has been changed for this year only because of the coming World T20.
Yeah,
right
it is
after
changed.
this.
Why it is changed? One day it also is there.
Get them
Because one day is so long
But
that
in this
people are
year,
not interested.
we have T20, the IPL, T20 World Cup, and Asia Cup is also T20 and T20 series. Many T20 series. We don't have one day and test is this. Only test to series.
Test numbers are always less. But
one day
it
also
tested the true skills of the batsmen and the bowlers. And also you can't say that in a test match there is no role of a bowler because there is the main role of the bowler in test match, not just in T20. T20 I agree that both the batsman and the bowler has equal chance, but in test cricket the bowlers has the maximum opportunities to get the wickets and test their skills. Like in a pitch, there it is for a 5-day period, and for the first few days, the pace bowlers come test in those conditions, and during the later stages of the match, the spinners get into effect in this match. So both the batsmen and the bowlers have equal say in test and T20 format.
Yes, I agree with my friend Kapil. Cricket is a match for both batsman or bowler. We can't say that a test match is for bowler, a T20 is for batsman. It's a game for both batsman or
I
bowler.
agree with Akshay. Both three of formats are good for us and also players. Three of all formats, T20, 20 matches and test matches are quite different, but all batsmen and bowlers have to be develop their skills according to the match format.
But nowadays T20 is famous and
Yeah, that's
Because
what
famous is because it is
now it is no time to the result, no time for still the
because it consumes less time.
It depends on the enthusiasm of the
So,
It's upon the
the conclusion of this topic, we all will agree that T20 is a boon for cricket because the maximum marketability that it has given to cricket is because of T20 and the viewership has also increased.
And
Though
also TRP also.
yes, that's what marketing and TRP have also increased, and the players have brought in themselves few changes and adjustment to the game so that they can play the game unorthodoxly, so that they can score runs as well as take wickets. So all of you have I think accepted that T20 is a beautiful game. Thank you.
You still have